It's 2020, and it's likely some restrictions are still in place. So now, 4 reasons to stay inside this summer and make jewelry with the Online Jewelry Academy. Number 1, blistering heat. Number 2, unpredictable weather. Number 3, mosquitoes. Number 4, coronavirus. It's likely some restrictions are still in place, so now's a great time to take OJA's online courses. We have one on colorful silver jewelry, one on setting all kinds of stones, and a fun course on making a hinge bracelet. So why not pick out a project or two from our selection of free videos on our website, or take complete courses from the OJA and get started making some jewelry.